There we go. Shut the car off. Hey, Happy New Year, mothervatos, putas and putos, amigas and amigos, brothers and sisters, mothers and misters. Focus. It is officially 2019, and what's up? Welcome. Let's do this thing again. I haven't done a CarTalk episode in a long time. Kind of want to talk about a few things today. First off, where have I been? What have I been doing? Why haven't I been posting much? So school, yeah. So basically, let me take that off. So basically, you know, I've been focusing on school and work. So that's where I've been spending most of my time, kind of focused on that. And since my car, I don't have my car with me, it's out of town, and I also have it at my brother's house. It's kind of hard to make time on the weekend just to go to my brother's house just to work on the car, you know. So because my main focus at the time was school and work. But you know, now, New Year, I am unemployed, which is a good thing for me. So that way I can kind of focus on myself and kind of gather myself and figure out what I want to do with myself for the new year. And I'm not in school this month, so the month of January I am off until the beginning of next month. More time for me and more time for the car. So that's where I've been. I've just been really working and going to school. So yeah. So now on to the car. Not a lot of content, yes, I know, but I got some good news right now. So the good news is I just ordered I finally ordered the Hassport motor mounts. So that's coming in sometime next week. So that'll give me time to create content, show you guys what I'm doing to the car, actually, how I'm gonna do it. And it's not your regular K20 swap, or just like, oh, here you go, do the swap, get this, get that, and plug it in, start it up, and you're good. So unfortunately, I live in California, where I'm pretty sure majority of these K-swap out here in California are illegal. So I want to make it legal, and if you guys don't know what that means, I'll go ahead and kind of explain it down below in the description. Kind of want to get it barred, you know, get it state ref and make it street legal, so I can not worry about illegal smog, you know, paying hundreds and hundreds of dollars every other year to illegally smog it, and worry about getting my car impounded if I was to ever get pulled over and have them check under the hood. So I want to make it street legal. So that's why the process that I'm doing, the way I'm doing it, is a little longer, it's a little harder, a little more complicated, it's more headache. Yeah. So, but the good thing is, I will be showing you guys what I'll be doing, and, you know, step by step, kind of, and bring you guys along. So yeah. Also, I had ordered not just the mounts, but I just had ordered the TSX. It was like an 04 to 08 OEM TSX header. So since it's going in the hatch, I know the RSX header, it's at a slant, so it's like, pretend this is the engine right here, you know, the engine, and this is the firewall, and this is the rest of the car. With the RSX, I know the exhaust, or the header, it curves like that. It's not a 90-degree angle like that, so it comes in like that. So it's gonna be hitting the subframe, and from what I was reading, the TSX should fit with a little modification. So I had ordered that as well. So hopefully that should be coming in next week as well. So hopefully I can make it fit, and I can make it fit with some fabrication, refabricating, of course. And also I do understand that I have to swap out the fuel tank, but I don't know. I kind of want to drop both fuel tank off the EK and the RSX and put it side by side and kind of play with it, see if I can fabricate the EK fuel tank to make it work, because I know the RSX is I think returnless fuel system, whereas the EK is there's a fuel return system, something like that. I'm probably butchering it, but most of you guys know. But yeah, so that's the plan for the hatch. I still going K. I want to mock it up this month for sure. For sure this month, month of January, the engine will be in the hatch for mock-up, and we'll go ahead and play from there. But as for paint wise, I can't tell you guys the color, but the goal is to have it in the paint shop in March, so for my birthday. So hopefully for my birthday, I'm able to take it in or drop it off and get it painted. But the main goal is to get the car started and get it registered and stuff like that. So if that's not done by March, then I'm gonna have to push the whole timeline for the car to get painted. But hopefully it'll be in there by the summer, and we'll see how that goes. But anyways, so that's what's up with me. That's what's up for the new year. Plans for the hatch, get it street legal here in California, get it painted for the summer. Other than that, we'll see how everything else goes for the hatch. And maybe, hopefully, not hopefully, but maybe I'll have some changes along the way. I don't know. But as of right now, street legal, K-swap. So thank you guys for sticking around and kind of bearing with me. I know I haven't been posting a lot, but that's going to change this year. Fingers crossed, yo. But anyways, Happy New Year's, guys. I hope y'all have a great 2018, but let's hope for a better 2019. Hopefully, hope for all you guys out there who are building something or working towards something. Hopefully you guys obtain that goal, and whatever you guys have, or whatever goals you guys have for this new year, hopefully you guys stick with it and go through with everything. So right now, just talking a bunch of gibberish, don't know what I'm saying. But anyways, thank you. Happy New Year's. As always, love, peace, and chicken grease. Deuces.